I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 standard can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed, along with 2 generous tablespoons of tahini for that classic creamy texture. Don't forget the juice from 1 fresh lemon for brightness, 1 minced clove of garlic for flavor, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, plus a pinch of salt to taste. These simple items are the foundation of a truly delicious homemade hummus. Now let's get blending for that perfectly smooth consistency. Combine your prepared chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and minced garlic in a food processor. Add about 2 tablespoons of cold water. This helps achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. Process the mixture until it's incredibly smooth, pausing to scrape down the sides as needed. Once blended, taste and adjust the seasonings, perhaps adding a little more salt or lemon juice to suit your preference. You're almost there. With your hummus blended to perfection, it's time to add those delightful finishing touches and consider serving. Drizzle a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil over the top for richness and shine. A sprinkle of paprika adds a lovely color and a hint of mild spice. For a fresh herbaceous note, consider some finely chopped fresh parsley. You could also try a pinch of sumac for an extra tangy kick. Serve your delicious creation with warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or your favorite crackers. Finally, let's talk about storing your wonderful homemade hummus so you can enjoy it for days. Transfer your freshly made hummus into an airtight container. It's crucial to refrigerate it promptly to maintain its freshness and flavor. When stored correctly, your hummus will remain delicious for up to 4 to 5 days. Before serving again, allow it to come to room temperature for the best taste and texture. Enjoy your healthy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.